In Robin Hood Goldilocks, all of Robin's skills are put to the test as she tries to survive Goldie's carnival of terror. If she wants to survive, Robin is not only going to have to defeat an endless string of murderous circus freaks, but she will have to find the strength to face off against her own inner demons. This one-shot with a little bit of cliffhanger is effectively a character piece that delves into the childhood and the mentality of Robin Hood. She is a strong, capable character in the current Jeanverse, and she's got some emotional baggage from bullying and conflict growing up that comes to the fore in this issue. What makes this issue stronger than the sum of its parts is the utterly unremarkable difficulty Robin faced growing up poor and fatherless. It's an all too common scenario you would encounter in any town or city in the world these days. So Robin's determination to use those life lessons as fuel in her current fight against Goldilocks makes her all the more admirable. On top of the grounded and relatable story, Curtis and the art team deliver an outstanding issue. In particular, Rodriguez's color work turned out extra special pages with the amount of detail and shading used to maximize the drama in every panel. The art and writing are a step above typical Zenescope quality. In this story, we see multiple flashbacks to Robin in school, bullied by her classmates for being fatherless and poor. Her mother does not take the situation lying down from either the school administration or the bully's parents, and her mother's lesson is clear: people will always try to knock you down. You can either lie there and take it, or you can get up and fight. Back to now, Robin is busy getting trained beyond her limits by Captain Smithy. The enigmatic colleague of the Black Knight seems to know something big is coming as he pushes Robin to be ready. After a grueling workout, Robin is kidnapped off the street and wakes up in a demented big top circus where Goldilocks is the ringmaster. She is forced to try and escape or survive a series of challenges. Beaten and nearly broken, Robin remembers her mother's lesson and she chooses to fight. Robin Hood Goldilocks is a surprisingly strong character building issue that gives readers a better appreciation for the character and plants a few seeds for a much bigger fight to come. The writing is great and the art is greater.